Hi, if you have a habit that you really want to change, try this. Let's say, for instance, you sit on your couch in the evening after work and watch TV. And this habit is stopping you from doing something productive. In fact, this habit has made you to expose yourself to the wrong influences. And people started commenting at you that you are exposing yourself to the negative influences. This was me at one time. The author says that every habit functions the same way. At first, there is a cue, some type of trigger that makes the behavior unfold automatically. A cue can be a location, time of day, a certain emotional state, other people, or just a pattern of behavior that consistently trigger a certain routine. To figure out a cue for my craving, I spent a few days tracking exactly when the urge to watch the TV is. The TV craving always hit about between 8 and 8:30 in the evening. That's my cue, a certain time of day. The next part, as the author says, is to figure out the routine, the behavior itself. For me, that was easy to figure out. Every day between 8 and 8:30, I get this craving to watch TV. I sit on the couch, take the remote and turn the TV on. The last part of the habit is to figure out the reward. The reward is the most important part because that's why habits exist, so that we can get the rewards that we want. To figure out what reward is driving my habit, I experimented few things. One day, when the urge to watch TV struck, instead of sitting on the couch and turning the TV on, I tried eating a bag of chips. And then the next day, instead of sitting on the couch and turning the TV on, I picked up a book and started reading. The idea, says the author, is to try different hypotheses to figure out what reward you are actually craving. In my case, it was nothing to do with the TV or a bag of chips. It had to do with distraction, distracting myself from doing something productive. If you like the video, please share it with others. Also, if you want to watch more book summary videos, please subscribe to the channel Entrepreneur Library TV. Thank you very much.